Next, they want you to put the missile rails on the wingtips. There's a little piece of tape in here covering where it will fit on. So you see the block will fit on the block. So let's go ahead and glue those on next. There's a piece of tape on the wingtip as well. After you remove that, they will fit better. Okay, so we'll get to gluing again. These are plastic covered foam. I don't see any left or right marks. They look the same to me, so this one's going on this side. Perfect fit. This is my first Freewing. Not my first JohnVHRC order, but my first thing from Freewing. And I gotta say, for the fit, I'm very impressed. I think it fits really nice. I think it looks really nice. And what sold me on this one was watching the videos on how it just looks like it flies amazing. So there we go. Got those on. Okay, I hooked the battery up, got it bound up. I want to throw the gear out so it can sit on its gear. So, got that done. Not sure what the trick here is going to be. So up, flip it down, and they should come out. There we go. Now it can sit on its gear while I work on it. Here's where I'm going to leave you for tonight. I'm going to let the tail surfaces and everything glue dry and get good before I do the linkages and other stuff, which is really all that's left is the linkages and setting up the radio. I glued in these little, I don't know, they're not guns, little fake pitot tube things, and the little probe in the nose. And I put the little, I don't know, ventral fins or whatever you want to call them on the bottom back here. It just takes a couple screws apiece, stick them on there, good to go. But we'll come back with an update probably tomorrow or the next chance I can get to work on it, and do the linkages and the other things, and then we'll have to wait for Mother Nature as to when we can fly it. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, here we have the elevator push rods on. They go in the outer hole. There's already the ball link is on that side for those. The aileron ones, you can see they go down one here and down one there. So I got those on. Here you can see the fins are on. Here is where it will balance CG wise, the yellow tape. That's the 3.5 inches back from the leading edge. I'm having some troubles balancing mine, so not sure what's going on there. So anyways, there's a bottom view you can see of the jet. Getting excited now, it's getting close. I have the throws set, see, once I get the CG figured out, it'll be go time. Here you can see in the nose, I've got my receiver, got my little satellite in there. I don't know how this is all going to work out until I get to the field and range check it, but I've got my battery back as far as I can, and I still can't get the CG back far enough, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong with that. I've still got the blue box in here. I kind of started trying to do mixing and take it out, but I don't know. Maybe I'll revisit that later. Here is where I put the driver for the Afterburner cone, and this is how this one works. And it just plugs into the balance port. I'll probably just keep it that way because it only runs off, I think they said like 11 volts, so this baby will fry it. This is 6S, so anyways, there's that, and I'll give you another update later once we get it all together and out at the field, but it's starting to look pretty good. I'm getting pretty excited. Done a good job, Freewing, JohnVHRC. It's gone together quick and easy, so far I'm happy. There guys, I plugged in the LED lights so you can see them on here. Shows up really cool. It's going to be pretty cool. So just a little teaser. They do change to yellow to bright red too, and I've got them adjusted with the throttle, so I'll probably do some mixing in the air to get them just right, but anyways, there's a little bit of an idea. They're pretty bright. Lining the inside of this with that tape really makes them pop, so should be cool outside. Okay everybody, I'm at the point where I'm putting some decals on here. I did a bunch of stuff off camera just because it's little stuff I can just show you, but anyways, I went with the 18 Aggressor style decals here. You can see I've got them on here. Initially I wasn't sure exactly what was going on with these decals. I thought they'd have this big funky plastic around them, but it's actually like a transfer. So once you stick it in place, push it down really well, then you can peel this off. And boom, and you have your decals. So I've got those on. The 90 goes down here on this version. Alright guys, here it is together. This is kind of the final shot. The guys online say that where the battery is, as far back as I can get it, is going to be good enough. So it's a 4000 6S pack. It is like a 60C or something, so it's pretty big. So that may be contributing to my weight problem with the CG. But other than that, we're good to go. Throws are set. CG's close. I've got dual rates set. Everything's functioning, and just have to go and do some range checks and then go and see how it flies. So next time you see this thing, we'll be at the field. Like, comment, subscribe. You're not going to want to miss it. This thing's pretty amazing. I cannot wait to fly it. So thanks for stopping by.